Dan's stuck. You almost got her. Put her in 4 low, baby. Dan, stop. Your whole bumper's fucked. Back up. Back, dude. No. Oh. Men.
We did a oopsie, but you know, we had fun tonight. Dude, it looks so much better. Oh, that's sick. Stop on the top of the tree. Tell you got the zip tie? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Get zip. Hey, you know what we do with this shit? Okay, I gotta need it though. Got some weight reduction on the Jeep. It's a little faster. Kind of looks better too, to be honest with you.
Dude, and you can access the tow hooks.
Yeah. Dude, that actually looks so good.
Yeah,
except
honestly,
for my,
you might have to leave it.
you should get a fake. You want my old intercooler? Make like it looks like a boosted.
Give me your crash bar. I'll just put the crash bar on it.
Got the white crash bar.
White crash bar.
Dude, that looks so much better.
What the dog doing?